In this training video, we'll be going over your release from liability form, a great form to protect you from any liabilities of the job that you performed. So as you can see, you're already in the Projects tab associated with the Owner Insured's job, John Bushnell. Projects tab, you're already in it, and then you would click on this button, Release from Liability, which would pull up this form. So as always, your logo will show up automatically and your company's information along with a license. That's always automatic. And the owner insured's name, the job address, and if there's a claim number, then your claim would be pulled up as well. And a lot of this comes from the call report automatically, and then your programmed information such as your logo. This is all your legal verbiage that's protecting you that you already programmed previously. And you have a note box if you need that. And you want to get those signatures most important, so you'd click on for the owner insured to sign. This box would automatically pop up and they would sign. You'd click OK. Simple as that. And then your company name, now it's your time to do that as well. So now you sign, click OK. And as you can see, these two dates just populated automatically. So a very, very easy form to handle, and most importantly, protect you from any liabilities. So it's a very important form. To your success, and thank you for watching.